everyone, my name is Nindya Afifa Dewi. I'm from the Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Education, majoring in Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Teacher Education. Now, I will discuss about one important thing in the world of education, namely the national exam is a graduation requirement for elementary school students. First, PASIS. The national exam or Ujian Nasional or UN is a national standardized test to measure the ability of elementary to junior high school students. I strongly agree that the UN is requirement for elementary school graduation because it maintains the quality of education and motivates students to study seriously. The UN also prevents manipulation of report cards so that the grades obtained are truly the result of students' hard work. Secondly, argument. First, research by Fatmawati, Nurul Hidayah, and Ayo Razaningrum 2025 shows that the UN increases students' learning motivation. Without the UN, many students are less serious about learning because they feel they can pass without effort. The UN also prevents schools from raising report cards to get into private schools, so that final grades truly reflect students' abilities and hard work and maintains educational honesty. Secondly, studies in the International Journal of Educational Assessment 2023 shows the UN measures student competencies objectively and fairly across regions. They motivate students and teachers to meet learning standards, improve education quality, and reduce dropout rates. They also reveal disparities between regions so that improvement can be better targeted. So that the UN is not just a graduation requirement, but also an important tool for equalizing and improving the quality of national education. And a Compass article 2024 states that the UN gives parents and the community confidence in the quality of primary school graduates. Without the UN, graduation standards are subjective and vary between schools, so that quality of graduation can decrease. UN also foster discipline and responsibility because students know that graduation depends on mastery of material, so they are better prepared for the next level. And the last, from an Islamic perspective, studying is an obligation that is highly emphasized in Quran Surat Al-Mujadalah ayat 11 and the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, hadith riwayat Ibnu Majah. Therefore, the implementation of the UN is in accordance with Islamic principles, ensuring that every child gets sufficient and quality knowledge. The UN also measures students' abilities objectively so that no one passes without meeting the minimum standard, so that education becomes meaningful and useful for their future. And the last one, recommendation. I recommended that the national exam remain a graduation requirement for elementary students to ensure fair and objective standard nationwide. However, its implementation must consider local challenge and provide supportive learning environments to avoid undue stress. Strict supervision is needed to prevent grade manipulation, so exam results truly reflect students' ability. This balance will maintain education quality while protecting student well-being. That's all my explanation. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.